Hi, kindergarten. Today is day number 3 of our three-dimensional flip-flop project. So far, everything that we've done has been two-dimensional, which means flat. Today, you are going to have an extra piece of paper. I want you to take the paper, and I want you to fold it in half like a book. Whoops. Fold it in half like a book. Let's try that again. Alright, and then after you open it up, take your scissors, cut on the fold, put one piece of paper off to the side. You can use that for details later if you want to. And then you're going to take your paper, keep it up and down. You're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it in half one more time. And when you open it up, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Okay, these little spaces are going to be what we cut for the little tongs for your flip-flops, the things that your toes go through. So you're going to color each of these spaces. You could color them all one color. You could do stripes or patterns. You could do polka dots. You could have fun with this if you want. I think I'm going to have some polka dots on mine. So I'm going to use my pencil. Remember, I use marker so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make some polka dots. Okay, let's pretend I'm done doing that for each of my little strips. If you decide to draw details with pencil, go over it in black pen, black crayon, black marker. It just looks better if you do that. When you're done with this, then you're going to go ahead and color. Remember our rule about coloring. Hide the paper when you color. Alright, so I'm going to do orange and pink because I want it to match the rest of what I did. Let's pretend I'm done coloring all this in. Okay, I'd color this area around my polka dots too. I'll use the folds that I made. I'm going to cut on the folds. I'm going to cut each of these out. And then I'm going to glue these to my flip-flops so they look 3D, three-dimensional. All right? Yours will be colored in. I'm just kind of skipping ahead so this video isn't too long. Okay, so what you're going to do with your little strip, you're going to fold it and fold it for each of your little strips. Fold it, and you're going to take your glue. You put a dot of glue and a dot of glue, and you're going to come up here where your toes would be. You're going to hold it, and then come down here and hold it. And I notice I kind of have it at an angle, diagonal. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing on this side, diagonal, for my flip-flops. Okay, now on my artwork, you're going to see my strips are a little thinner. I'm going to trim mine down because I don't want mine so wide. I was thinking that mine would be a little skinnier. I don't like how wide that is. Okay, and you'll see my finished example with thinner little things for your feet to go through. So that's that part. When you're done with that, I'll take this off because I need to finish coloring. This area around your flip-flops, I want you to color that in for details. So you could color it yellow for sand, you could color green for grass, you could do little rocks. But whatever you decide to do, hide the paper when you color. So I'm going to draw these little lines, and my lines are going to be for grass, and then I'm going to color in my cardboard green. And that'll be the whole space around my flip-flops that I'll color in. Remember, hide the paper when you color. All right, I can't wait to see how these come out. Keep up the good work. Bye, friends.